Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will explore how to search for filters in Instagram, and how to use them to make your posts more visually appealing. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Instagram is a popular social media platform that allows you to share photos and videos with your followers. One of the key features of Instagram is the ability to add filters to your posts, which can enhance the look and feel of your photos and videos. Filters are a great way to add style and personality to your Instagram posts. With a wide range of filters available, you can easily transform the mood and tone of your photo or video with just a few taps. To search filters on Instagram stories, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Then, tap on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen or simply tap on your story icon in the top left corner of your screen to access the Instagram story feature. Now, select a story from the available options. After that, you will see some filters at the bottom of the screen alongside the Take Picture button. Swipe right on the filters to open the Filters panel. After scrolling, you will find a magnifying glass icon at last. Tap it. This opens the Effects gallery, where you can browse through a library of filters organized by categories like trending, appearance, games, and more. You can also use the search bar at the top to type in the name of a specific filter you're looking for. Type in keywords related to the type of filter you are looking for. For example, if you want to find a filter that adds a vintage effect to your photos, you can search for vintage. Instagram will show you a list of filters that match your search query. Once you have found a filter you like, tap on it to apply it to your story. You can save it to your camera for later use by tapping the save icon. If you're not sure what kind of filter you're looking for, you can browse through the trending category in the Effects gallery. This shows you the most popular filters right now. When you are satisfied with the filter, you can now share it with your followers. This is exactly how you can search and add filters to your Instagram story. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below.